How to verify ID on Fiverr. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you the ways to verify ID on Fiverr. To verify ID on Fiverr, you could follow these steps. So as you can see, I've provided you with the statement as well. So you could go to this link, that is help.fiverr.com, and here you could find out the information regarding verifying your identity. So at Fiverr, they constantly do their best to keep their community safe for everyone. So this is why they routinely ask sellers to verify their identity with an official government ID document, and in some cases completed this process if necessary. So here you could read it out that the ID verification process must be completed on the mobile device, and if you started the verification process on your desktop, you'll be given two options to be redirected to mobile device. So then they'll provide a QR code or a link that can be sent via SMS. Once starting the process on your mobile device, you'll be required to add a clear photo of an official government ID. That could be your driving license, passport, etc. Now, from the list of available documents, depending on your country of the resident as well. Then you want to take a real-time selfie. Now, photo must be taken in a well-lit place and as clear and sharp and aren't cut off in any way. Now, this increases the chances of a photo being approved. Make sure not to take photos of scanned images of your ID, of yourself or your ID. These cannot be verified. So as part of their ID verification process, the use of third-party services provides identity verification software as well. The software first of all validates the image from an official government ID and that your selfie is authentic. So then compress the two images you uploaded to determine whether the uploaded ID and selfie are authentic image that matches. So this is the process required to prove that the document submitted represents you and it isn't copied from other sources. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.